Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the USB board. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the edge of the USB board off of the alignment pins and remove the external connectors from the cutouts in the top cover. Remove the USB board. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.